How to fix microphone not working problem in Windows 10. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to fix microphone not working problem in Windows 10. So first is you have to make sure that you have actually updated your Windows 10. So the computer will automatically or will notify you to update your computer, your PC. So you could actually see it here on the power. If your microphone is not working, let's say you're on a meet or like virtual meeting and your microphone is not working, so you might want to check if your microphone is actually turned on or is it power on, and check the wires if it's actually connected. Now, if it's actually connected and your microphone is still not working, maybe you have not set the microphone as your default. So to do that, you have to go to your settings and go to display, or you could just simply go here on the speaker icon, right click on this and go to open sound settings. Now it will directly lead you here to your sound settings. So as you can see, I do have my microphone on since the master volume is actually moving. Now, if your master volume is not moving while you're speaking or you're talking, then you might have chosen the wrong input device. Now, I repeat, your microphone belongs to the input category. So here you could actually choose your mic. Now I do have three microphones here. I have the A4 Tech, the GM300, and the USB audio device. Now, all you have to do is to pick the microphone that you want to choose or that is actually working. And if you've already picked that one and still not working, maybe the computer is actually confused on the microphone, so you might want to just simply unplug this microphones if it's still not working. But basically that is how you fix your microphone not working problem in Windows 10. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.